Personal box breaks for men. Thank you, men. Good luck. We have a few different boxes here. '21 Elements Football. 21 Bowman Chrome Hobby. 20 Bowman Chrome Hobby. 2020 Contenders Football Hobby, and 14 packs left from a 2020 Contenders Football box here. These things obviously are on fire. 14 left of the 18 packs. I don't know how many autos were hit. They were sold at the store months ago. So we'll start with those. See what we got. All right, man. Thank you. Good luck. We have one group break currently up right now, guys. Brand new limited football. 2021 limited football. 2-box cheap break, $30. That's it. $30 random teams. And there is 19 left. There's a Herbert rookie. 19 left in the main break and 7 left in a cheap filler. That. Gladney and Jefferson. J.K. Dobbins. First hit on card. Nice one, too. On card auto. Rookie of the Year, 90 of 99. That is Cam Akers on the auto. On card for the Rammies. Cam Akers, number to 99 on the rookie auto for the Rams. I'm on YouTube, so let me move my screen over there. So one auto in the loose box so far. There's a Herbert Jordan Love. Jared Goff. Mahomes. Auto number 2, rookie auto for the Colts. Kahari Willis, rookie auto for Indianapolis. Willis for the Colts. That is 2 autos. Nice half box, so to speak. Redemption. Aren't the redemptions usually on card? Rookie of the Year, T. Higgins. Already got the on card in this one, so let's see what we got. Josh Kelly. This is Cracked Ice. Cracked Ice. I think that's out of what, 23 or 24? Rookie Cracked Ice ticket auto. Redemption. Josh Kelly. Let me know if you want the code, man. I know you just entered a bunch of stuff in that package yesterday. That had to be fun to go through. I know when I was packaging it up, I forgot about a lot of the stuff in there. It's nice. Number to 149, Jeff Okudah, Rookie of the Year. Komet and Claypool. So, 2 autos. No, 3 autos. 3 autos in this loose box. Might get all 5. Already 3 though. Cam Newton. Brikis. Looks like we got 4 at least. Davon Hamilton, rookie auto for Jacksonville. The Jags with the auto. Number 4 in the box there is Davon Hamilton. Man, I think I have some HTA boxes maybe on those 2 years also that we're doing the hobby. I have to see. They might be in the back there. All right, last pack. Good luck. Looks like there was 1 auto hit out of the packs. If I remember counting correctly, you got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We're going to do another box of Contenders. This one should have 5 autos in it. Full box, 18 packs. Hopefully you can hear me today, man. It's a lot easier when I can talk to you and you can talk back. Andre Swift, rookie of the year. Tommy B. Ray Lewis. We got an auto. It is for the Redskins, Washington football team, Commanders, whatever you want to call them these days. Steven Sims Jr., rookie auto for Washington. Steven Sims Jr. First hit. And the rookie of the year in this one was Shenault. Starting you up a new box over here, man. With this stuff. Lamar. For the Seahawks, Jordan Brooks, rookie ticket auto, number 2 in the box, Jordan Brooks for Seattle. MVP Contenders, Mahomes. Edwards-Helaire. Joe Green. Number to 99, playoff ticket auto, Solomon Kinley. Miami Dolphins, out of 99 on the playoff ticket auto, Solomon Kinley. Man, you want that flawless football briefcase? 2020 flawless football. Randy Mouse. It's got your name on it. You'd be crazy to open that. Drew Lock. But you're known to be crazy sometimes. JJ. Adam Thielen, playoff ticket foil out of 199. Aaron Rodgers. Van Jefferson. For the Bills, kicker Tyler Bass. Tyler Bass, rookie ticket auto for Buffalo. Kirk Cousins. Two packs to go. Eason. Last pack. Good luck. Nice one. On card for the Cowboys. CD Lamb. On card auto for Dallas. Rookie. CD Lamb. Nice one there. And Burrow and Tua on the dual rookie. All right, we'll stick to football. 2021 Elements Football Hobby Box. Well, if you weren't going to peel it, you probably should now. Is it peeled off in the pack? Charles Woodson gold on the plate. I'm just going to take that off because, yeah, that's much better. Much better. You can peel the front off if you want. It's not messed up, but now the back's nice and clean. Charles Woodson on the gold plate. This is number to 27 on the rookie patch for the Rams. Tutu Atwell. Tutu Atwell, thick rookie electric patch there. Number to 27. Number to 99 for the Broncos. Rookie auto, Patrick Surtain. Patrick Surtain the second. Number to 99 for Denver. Rookie auto. For the 49ers, on card, plate auto, rookie, running back Trey Sermon. Trey Sermon on the rookie auto for San Fran. And Zeke on the Cobalt for the Cowboys. Cobalt Zeke, 16 of 27. The Charles Woodson was 2 of 7 of 250. 27 on the Zeke. Okay. We'll go with 2020 Bowman Chrome Hobby first. All right. See what we got. Number to 499, rookie refractor, Lewis Robert. Rookie refractor out of 499, Robert. And an auto, number to 499. First Bowman refractor auto for the Twins, Seth Gray. Seth Gray from Minnesota, refractor auto out of 499. Keegan Aiken, purple for the Orioles. Tony Gonsolin, blue out of 150 for the Dodgers. Green auto for the Yankees. It's number to 99. Yodrins Gomez. Yodrins Gomez, number to 99. Green refractor auto for the Yanks. Lewis Robert, rookie. Malacca. Tony. That'll do it for that box. We got one left. It is 2021 Bowman Chrome Hobby. Christian Hernandez on the first Bowman Chrome. Laboratory. Mountcastle rookie. Purple, number to 250, Mike Trout. Purple refractor out of 250. Mike Trout. Auto for the Mariners. First Bowman, base auto, George Feliz. George Feliz for Seattle. Tatis. Soderstrom on the parallel. Number to 499 refractor for the Cubs, Braylon Marquez out of 499. The last pack, good luck. Eduardo Garcia, purple, first Bowman, number to 250 for the Brewers. Milwaukee out of 250, Eduardo Garcia, purple. Yeah, I wonder. All right, man, we doing anything else today? Let me know, sir. Thank you. I'll get that video up to the